In this video, we'll see how we can customize the notification sent by Shopify if someone purchase product, refund product, or log in, create any type of notification that sent to the user through mail. So we'll see how we can customize it, how we can change it, manage it. Okay. For that, I am logged into admin dashboard of Shopify. Go on settings. Here you see a tab notification. Now first thing here, you need to, if you want to change your sending mail or you want to update sending mail, you can update from here. What will be showing to user, that where this mail is coming from. Now there is first option of customer notification, order confirmation, draft order, shipping confirmation, ready to pick up. These are some extra we don't need to do on. Important is order confirmation. This is the view, you can see. This is the view. Like if you want to change it, you must know the code. You need to click on edit code. Here for adding, you need to verify your sender email. So that you need to verify that we have added. First we will verify it. Click on reset verification. Now verification mail is sent. I will verify it. So we need to verify it. Click on resend verification, then verify it. You will receive the mail. Just click on verify email. Then you able to change any type of notification that you want to customize. Important, very important is customer notification. That's very important. Here all type of notification you can see. You can customize using edit code. Click on edit code. Now you can see this code. Now you can customize it. Whatever text, hi customer name, we are getting your order. You must have idea about coding, then only choose to customize. Otherwise leave the default view. Just change the mail that is here, the notification that is sending from here. You can say a staff notification. These are fulfill request notification. Okay, so you can customize. Go here. I will show you an example. Order notification. Yeah, this is my logo. It will pick the default thing by default. Here you can see whatever you want to. Suppose you want to change the text or any you want to make it bold. I will show you. First, take it. Thank you for the purchase. Everything is with condition, so you need to see properly. Okay, here you can see the search direct. Sorry. Thank you. Suppose I want thank you for your order, thank you for purchase. I want to make it bold. Very simple modification I am showing you. Only try, and if you found some issue, you can always reset to default. Here you see, like suppose I have changed it. Preview. Now here I have modified, make it thank you for purchase bold. You can change any, if you want to add more details, you want to add any link, suppose you want to add Instagram link, your other information in here, then you can customize it. So every notification you can customize. My custom is here, you can say revert to default option is always there, so no worry, you can easily customize it. There is very basic thing. Okay, so that's how you can easily modify the notification template in your Shopify store, and you can change the notification email. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.